Hey, here we are. Round 2. I call this the pulverizer. Here's how it works. On my go, you will start here. Haul ass with that rope and attach it to the sled. There's 90 pounds set along this course. Start pulling that sled to each weight station. Load those weights in the sled. First person pull that sled into 90 pounds across the finish line wins and goes on to round 3. Our first matchup here, ladies, is gonna be Ashley versus Callan. Step to the starting line, let's get it on.
I could totally dominate this challenge for sure. If she wants to try and keep up, that's fine with me.
Size definitely doesn't matter in this event. I think it's all gonna come down to speed and your upper body strength. So I'm just gonna pull the shit out of that sled and cross the finish line.
Ashley, are you ready?
Hell yeah!
Callan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go! Attaching that rope to the sled. Callan having trouble with that hitch over there. Here comes Callan. Ashley down to the first weight station. Callan, come on, go! Commanding lead here. Callan's down there, first weight station. Here comes Ashley, he's going to the second weight station. Callan throwing in the sandbags, first station. It's a lot of weight, no sled. Oh, someone is in trouble. Come on, Callan. All right, here's Ashley. Here she goes.
Let's go!
Ashley on the last set. All right, weight's getting heavier, weight's getting heavier.
Who wants it more? You're not done yet! You're not done yet!
Go, Callan, go! Go!
Pull, pull!
Go.
Come on!
Go! Go!
She's getting tired! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Winner! Ashley!
I had a plan from the minute I picked up that rope to put it over my shoulder, and that helped me run a lot faster. I couldn't be happier with the results.
All right, Callan, thanks for coming out to Broken Skull Ranch. I'll catch you down the road.
Thank you.